Seesii Cordless Chainsaw Sharpener. This 21-volt electric powerhouse sharpens dull chainsaws in minutes, ditching the old manual grind for good. Its rust-resistant, heavy-duty build promises years of reliable service no matter the job size. With two 2000 mAh batteries, you get an hour of cordless runtime, perfect for tackling cuts anywhere without being tied down. Lightweight and portable, it delivers pinpoint precision to keep your blades razor-sharp every time. Pros love its efficiency for clean, fast cuts, while DIYers enjoy the hassle-free operation. The ergonomic grip feels natural in hand, making sharpening sessions a breeze from start to finish. Dull chains are history. This tool's a sharpening champ that gets you back to work quick. Valve Pros. The Modec Portable Valve Actuator is your key to effortless control on any site. This battery-powered gem opens and closes valves without breaking a sweat, designed for industrial tasks big or small. Weighing next to nothing and free of cords, it's a go-anywhere solution for pipelines or plants with ease. Adjustable torque settings let you dial in the perfect force, handling tiny pipes or massive systems like a pro. Its ergonomic shape cuts fatigue during long shifts, keeping you comfortable and safe all day. Built tough, it thrives in harsh conditions and slashes maintenance time to boost your workflow. Pros can't stop praising its blend of power, portability, and sheer reliability. Valve hassles vanish with this clever tool in your arsenal. Mechanics. The hammer-tight slugging wrench retainers from SMP are your safety net for heavy hits. These rugged steel retainers lock your slugging wrench in place, letting you hammer big bolts loose without a slip or flyaway. Perfect for construction crews or gearheads working on massive equipment, they're a game-changer on the job. Just slide them on and swing away. Simple, genius, and built to take brutal impacts every time. They keep your hands clear of danger, making tough tasks safer and way more efficient. Pros swear by how they save time and cut risks on the gnarliest bolts out there. No more juggling loose tools. This is precision you can feel with every strike. Slug away with total confidence. Adhesive aces. The WEICON Dispenser. Easy Mix D50 is your ticket to flawless glue jobs. This handheld dispenser pumps out perfect 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 mixes of two-part adhesives, leaving zero mess behind every use. Lightweight and shaped for your grip, it's a dream for DIY repairs or pro builds needing strong bonds fast. The Easy Mix system ensures every drop's blended just right, cutting waste and guesswork from the equation. It tackles metal, plastic, and beyond, with pro-grade strength that holds tight every time. Reusable and easy to refill, it's a budget-friendly, eco-smart choice for any toolbox. Say farewell to sloppy glue guns. This delivers clean, controlled perfection effortlessly. Bonding's never been so smooth or satisfying. Roofing rockstars. The Buschmann tools. Falz cutter is your seam-slicing sidekick. This handheld cutter glides through metal roofing seams like they're nothing, leaving clean, straight edges without a snag. Compact and light, it's made for tight corners where bulky tools just can't squeeze in or keep up. Its razor-sharp blades churn out pro-quality cuts on every pass, perfect for installs or quick fixes. Tough enough for daily grind, it's still simple for DIYers to master with zero fuss involved. The ergonomic handle keeps your hand happy through long hours up on the roof. Speed and precision meet in this must-have roofing tool. No jagged messes here. Cut seams fast and look like a total pro. Clamp Kings, Leopliers. Quick clamp. Pliers are your grip that won't quit. These slick tools lock onto wood, metal, or anything with one fast squeeze, holding firm until you say stop. The quick-release trigger lets you adjust or drop in a flash, speeding up every project without a hitch. Built sturdy with a comfy handle, they shine in welding, carpentry, or any job needing a solid hold. Small enough to toss in your toolbox, they're versatile for pros and hobbyists who demand the best. Precision clamping beats old-school methods hands down. No more fumbling around. They're tough, reliable, and ready to tackle your toughest tasks every day. Grip it and rip it with ease. Plastic Welding Pros. The UNIDRIVE 505 from Leister is your seam-sealing savior. This battery-powered semi-automatic welder cruises along joints for flawless plastic welds without killing your arm. Lightweight and portable, it's a roofing or flooring expert's dream for jobs big or small. Adjustable speed and heat settings match any material thickness, giving you pro results every single time. Its ergonomic design keeps you steady on rough sites, built Swiss tough to last through anything. Pros love how it halves welding time while pumping out perfect seams effortlessly. It's a powerhouse of precision and durability that's hard to beat anywhere. Weld smarter and faster with this beauty. Caulk Champs, the Albion Engineering Square Bead Nozzle, is your sealing superstar. This nifty add-on turns your caulk gun into a precision beast, laying down perfect square beads every shot. Ideal for windows, doors, or any gig needing a sharp pro finish, it's a total game changer. Tough and clog resistant, it fits most standard guns and flows smooth as silk every time. The square shape means less smoothing and faster work, no round bead cleanup required. DIYers and contractors rave about the clean look it adds with minimal effort. It's simple, cheap, and delivers oh-so-satisfying results on every seal. Pruning Pros, the Seesii 2-in-1 Electric. Pruning shears with pole are your garden MVP. This cordless tool's telescopic pole reaches high branches easy. No ladder or strain in sight. Powered by a 21-volt battery, its sharp blades slice thick limbs like butter every cut. Switch to handheld mode in seconds for flexibility that tackles any trimming job fast. 2 batteries keep you going without downtime, perfect for orchards or big yards alike. It's quiet, light, and crushes manual shears in speed and ease every day. Pros and gardeners love its power and reach for total control. Trim trees and shrubs like a cutting king. Plastering Wizards, the Minova KD5330 plaster finishing machine is your wall polishing wonder. This electric tool vibrates to smooth walls and ceilings fast, slashing finishing time in half flat. Light and easy to handle, it leaves a flawless paint-ready surface without breaking a sweat. Adjustable speed lets you nail the perfect texture, wet or dry, on every pass you make. The comfy handle keeps long jobs painless, built tough for renos or new builds alike. No more arm-killing trowel work. This machine takes the load off easy. Plastering's quick, clean, and pro-grade with this in your hands. Smooth walls like a master every time. Demo Dynamos, the DCA cordless brushless rotary. Hammer Drill AD328 is your concrete killer. This 28mm cordless beast drills, hammers, and chisels masonry with brushless power unleashed. Light and free-roaming, it's untethered for any site, no cord slowing you down ever. Anti-vibration grips make long hauls comfy, while the battery lasts and charges quick. Switch modes, drill, hammer, chisel, for versatility that tackles any job thrown its way. Pros crave its torque, and DIYers dig the raw power it packs every hit. It's rugged, reliable, and born to destroy tough stuff fast. Smash concrete like it's nothing. Bricklaying Bosses, the Ox Pro Brick Rule is your course-keeping captain. This metric tough rule marks 86 and 87 brick gauges, ensuring every layer's dead-on perfect every time. Weatherproof and durable, it shrugs off sun, rain, and dust without a flinch ever. Light and foldable, it slips into your pocket. No bulky levels clogging your kit anymore. The white finish stays readable in the messiest chaos, keeping you on point always. Pros and DIY masons nail precision with zero guesswork involved here. It's built to last years of hard, gritty use daily. Lay flawless walls with this brick beauty. Wire Whizzes. The Klein Tools Scout Pro Max VDV501770 is your testing triumph. This handheld device checks voice, data, and video cables with razor-sharp accuracy every test. Its backlit screen glows in dark corners, paired with an interface that's a cinch to use. Test coax, Ethernet, and phone lines in one go. No extra gear slowing you down ever. Rugged for drops, it's a job site tank that keeps ticking through anything thrown at it. The battery powers all-day shifts, perfect for pros on the grind daily. Installs and fixes fly by with this trusty tool in hand. Wire smart and win every time. Flooring Fiends, the Roberts 3-in-1 carpet, vinyl, and utility knife is your cutting crown. This light tool swaps blades fast for carpet, vinyl, or utility cuts with zero hassle involved. An angled head and cozy grip make every slice precise and comfy every stroke. Store spares in the handle, no mid-job hunts breaking your flow ever again. Tough and wallet-friendly, It tackles flooring or boxes with equal flair always. Pros love its do-it-all vibe, and DIYers dig the no-fuss simplicity here. One knife handles everything. No extras cluttering your kit anymore. Slice sharp and smooth every cut. Sharpening Sharks, the toolshed wet grinder, Sharpener, is your edge-honing hero. This benchtop tool cools blades with water, dodging heat damage while you sharpen to perfection. It hones chisels, knives, or mower blades to a razor edge with pro-level finesse every time. An adjustable guide locks in the perfect angle, making precision a breeze always. Quiet and tidy, it's a workshop gem that sets up fast and stays mess-free daily. Built solid, it's ready for years of grinding tough jobs without a hitch. Pros and DIYers love the control it brings to every edge they touch. Dull tools bow to this sharpening beast. Tile Titans, the Markrist PG750X tile drill. Bit is your hole drilling dynamo. This diamond-tipped bit cuts porcelain, ceramic, and glass without a crack or chip ever. Self-cooling and sharpening, it stays lethal through job after job with no fade. Pros and plumbers cheer its speed and clean holes on every tough tile they hit. The hex shank fits any drill, keeping it versatile for all your gigs always. It's tough enough for tricky installs, leaving no tile behind in ruins. Busted surfaces are gone. This drill's pure perfection fast. Tile like a pro with every spin. Deck Defenders, Fasten Masters. Deck frame coating is your wood-saving warrior. This spray-on shield guards joists and beams from rot, rust, and water with ease every coat. Quick to apply and dry, it stretches deck life by years without breaking a sweat ever. The black finish looks sleek, hiding flaws while keeping things pro-grade always. Pros and DIYers love the simple step that pays off big in durability daily. No brushes needed. Just spray it on and call it done fast. It's weatherproof and tough for any climate hitting your build hard. Coat decks and keep them standing strong. Concrete Crafters, the Eddie Beaver Groover is your joint-cutting jewel. This handheld tool carves perfect control joints in fresh concrete, stopping cracks before they start every pour. A balanced build and cozy grip make long runs easy. No strain slowing you down ever. The stainless blade cuts clean and lasts through gritty jobs without a flinch always. Pros nail accuracy, and newbies shine with pro results from the get-go here. It's simple, sturdy, and built for the toughest concrete grinds daily. Jagged joints vanish. This grooves smooth and true every time. Finish concrete like a seasoned vet. Stone Slicers, the MDX marble wire, saw by MD Dario, is your cutting conqueror. This portable wire saw slices marble and granite with jaw-dropping precision every pass you make. Light and quick to rig, it's ideal for tight spots or massive slabs without a fuss ever. Diamond-coated wire stays sharp, powering through stone fast and leaving smooth edges always. Pros craft custom cuts, and artists shape with control that's hard to beat anywhere. It's quieter than big saws, perfect for quarries or workshops on the grind daily. Power meets finesse in this stone-slaying beast of a tool. Slice stone like a master every job. Plumbing Pals, the Muckstopper RS400 Lite is your drain-defending dynamo. This slick device traps silt and junk before it clogs pipes, dodging disasters with ease every day. Light and fast to fit, it works on most drains in a snap. No tools slowing you down ever. Tough enough for rough flows, it keeps water running clear and free always. Pros love the low upkeep, and homeowners cheer the simplicity it brings to their pipes daily. No more mucky backups, just smooth, clean drains with zero hassle here. It's a tiny tool with Titan-sized impact on every job. Stop muck and keep pipes flowing strong. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.